Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. It is Tuesday, May 19th. Since I seem to be getting a year wrong, maybe. I don't know. It's 2026. I think I said, I can't, someone mentioned that I said 1997 in a video, and I think it's because I didn't watch it, but it was all the bank records that I had going back to 97. Maybe that's what it is. But anyway, all that stuff has been shredded. Basement is clean. I am working on redoing my WhatNot station, live area, whatever you want to call it. I'm on what's this thing called? A standing desk. And I don't know if you see me going up and down, but I don't stand here anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this my WhatNot table. It's deeper, not as wide, and it's just redoing it. I'm gonna stand up a little bit more because what I'm doing on WhatNot, and I know you're here for morning sales, but part of my reselling business is I did a kind of like a game show type of thing on Saturday, and I called it Keeper Pass, and everybody has those crap cards that don't sell. Niagara Falls, Washington, D.C., covered bridges, Mount Rushmore. So what I'm doing now is I'm pulling all those out of the lots that I'll be selling, and I'm going to make a little game show out of it. You get stuff for free, but there's a little bit of fun to it. So I think I'm going to go that way. I think we'll give it a try. No one else on WhatNot that I can see, at least in the ephemera category, is doing this type of format. And regular WhatNot shows have become quite boring. And this past Friday night, I was just looking around on WhatNot, and it was boring. And I went into some of the other categories, and people were having 400 or 500 people in a show, and they were entertaining. Maybe a little bit of annoying, but still entertainment. And I watched Lonnie and Ryan's podcast with Tesla Picker, and he was saying, and I agree, that YouTube is at just entertainment now. And I think more people watch it to be entertained and maybe not learn. So I know I'm not entertaining here in my morning but in a live WhatNot format, I think that's I think it was entertaining. I mean, if you watched it, and you could still watch it. Go to my live video section, and you can watch the show from Friday. Anyway, I thought it was fun. I enjoyed it. I got rid of some cards. I made some money, and people got free stuff. What isn't there to like about that? So I think I'm gonna stick with this until I get sick of it, if that makes sense. Anyway. eBay. eBay has not been good. Let me see. So, Friday was decent, 225. Saturday, normal Saturday, slow down. Sunday, 179. So, and then yesterday, it's off with the day, 76. So it's just wildly inconsistent, consistently inconsistent. So I packed. Took me quite a while because I had all this stuff going out yesterday. So Monday's always my big packing day. Had the HVAC guys here. Got a brand new, expensive indoor and outdoor unit, and yeah, it's cold in the basement, but it doesn't feel as cold, and the rest of the house seems to be nice. Anyway, I only got 9 orders and $51 for $51 going out. So it'll definitely not be a very long show. And remember, this Thursday for members, I'll have that live show on here on YouTube. So Thursday at 8. Hopefully everything goes off without a hitch. I just looked to see if anybody left questions, and for some reason it doesn't look like you can even put any questions in there. So you can respond to this video with any questions, or we'll just take questions live on air. I really don't have anything prepared. I'm just going to kind of wing it. I mean, I know what I'm talking about, but I'm just going to wing it. I may do a, go over my sales, because I haven't done a what sold video for the members yet. So I may start off with that, maybe get into 6-bit listing. I don't know. You have questions, I have answers. So here we go. J28. I had one of these. Where is it? Had one of those, the lovely yellow stickers. Come back and reached out to the buyer who has purchased from me numerous times before. This might be the first return. And I said, hey, this was returned to me. I know you've purchased from me before. Anything change with the address? And he's like, no, that's the second or third time this month that his stuff has been kicked back. So I don't know if it's just a lazy postal person. He wanted the label with the sticker. He's gonna go to his post office and ask. I'm sure there's something at the last sorting center that is kicking it out. I don't know what. I don't pretend to know exactly what. Man, that looks dark. So I don't know what's going on with it, but that's why I keep my labels and to reprint that. McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania, Cowan's Gap State Park Women Hole had to have been on a 40% off sale. I'm still running that. Yeah, I tell you, I'm fighting it. It's hard to go to 40% off, but I'm still sending 40% off. That's fine. At a postcard show, that's a $1 to $3 card. And again, I've already squeezed out the value. When I buy bulk, I sell the good stuff first, quickly, for good money, and then the other stuff just kind of hangs around. AL1. How about you? Any sales? Oh, I haven't. How are your sales? I know I jump ahead. Have you seen the same thing? Wildly inconsistent sales days. I got a whole bunch of these. Probably got about 30 of these ones. Oh, and I just had a thought. What was my thought going to be? Crap. I don't know. I sat here for 5 minutes trying to rack my brain what I was just talking about in order for me to go back and watch what I was getting ready to say. I'd have to stop this video and then I'd have to edit because I'd have to mash two videos together. So it was probably earth-shaking, change your life thought, but it's gone forever. It'll probably come back at like 3 o'clock in the morning. That's what I meant to say. 3:30. So busy getting everything ready for, cleaning the basement and getting other stuff that I haven't gotten to the listing part. Now, there is some prep for the new WhatNot format. Not much. I have to I have to process the cards anyway. Now there's probably 10 boxes I need to reprocess because I'm pulling out. I have a list of cards that I'm pulling out. Like I said, Niagara Falls, Mount Vernon, Williamsburg, Mount Rushmore, and some other ones. I'm pulling those out. So when you do buy it now, because I'm just going to a buy it now format, you're pretty, I may miss a card here and there, but pretty much there's going to be no Niagara Falls in the lots that people purchase in the buy now section on WhatNot. And we'll give it a whirl. Next two. Still have a whole bunch of these cards. I've told that story before. There was a dealer at the, what was it? The old DC Big Flea, I believe it was, and dude puts no prices on anything, and no prices, and you pick up a card, and he's like, it could be whatever, and I was like, okay, well, like, what's this card? And he would, that's like a $5 card, and I don't want to hunt through and spend hours on cards to be then at the very end be told some astronomical number. So I've walked away from his booth many times, and this one of the last times I was there, uh, it was the same thing. How much would this be? It just depends type of thing. And so I just spent, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, maybe a half an hour, and I found a whole stack of these cards, and I got them really, really cheap. He gave me a good deal. So maybe that's how it is. If I would have, all those other times, if I would have just done a big bundle, spent the time, maybe it would have been decent, but you don't know. Just price your stuff. That's all I can ask. Anywho, I wish I could do another one. That's kind of cool. Restaurant. The old dude there. 11.24. I don't know if that was on sale. Okay. Then this is it. This is the guy who I'm sending his card that was returned back to him. He bought a couple more cards, so that's nice. Not a whole bunch going out. Oh, I know what I was gonna say. I had no since this guy accepted this guy's offer at 9 o'clock last night Eastern. Yeah, 9 o'clock last night Eastern. That was it. I've had no sales for 12 hours. Is it me? I don't think it's just me. So, anyway, that is it. Members, we'll see you Thursday at 8. I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully, if stuff sales. And I hope you have great sales, and we'll see you tomorrow. Let me know if any questions below. Bye.